Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my 70s themed dollhouse. Today we're heading back upstairs to work on this bed. The base I'm using is just a piece of foam that came from some packaging. To give it a little height, I glued on a plastic piece that originally held a light fixture for a dollhouse. For the headboard, I'm using one that I bought several years ago for this room, along with some other Moroccan-inspired furniture. As you can see, the foam works out to be just the right size. For the bedspread, I'm using a scrap piece of fabric that works perfectly for this bed. I cut it to size, hem the edges with tacky glue, and let it dry. Now I'm trimming off the excess and gluing it to the foam. When I got to the corners, I wasn't sure at first how I wanted to finish them. But then I decided to glue them down since I planned to place a bench at the foot of the bed. Next, I made a bunch of pillows in different sizes. I used plain white cotton fabric because I wanted to add color with markers and create solid jewel tone pillows to go with the theme of the room. I also used the markers to tint crochet thread, which I glued around the edges for an extra bit of detail. Finally, I arranged all the pillows on the bed to finish the look. And that's it! A colorful Moroccan-inspired miniature bed to bring this room together. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll know when I upload the next part of my dollhouse build. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this project, then check out my other videos where I show how I made other pieces for this room.